This is an AirTag accessory for your luggage by a company named Morik, who sent out a bunch of these for me to try out and provide my honest opinion, and I'll be giving away one of these to one lucky winner. Keep watching for more details. Guys, you're watching VidStube, and if it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking. Here as well, I review smartphones, smartwatches, headphones, and regularly do giveaways like this, so if you're into technology, then you must consider subscribing. Everything is time coded along the video timeline for ease of viewing. Let's start with price and unboxing. These are listed on Amazon for only 20 Canadian dollar. Check out the direct links in the video description. For just under 20 bucks, I can't believe they look like the original Apple Hermes luggage tag, which would cost a whopping $500. Even if I had that money lying around, I would rather get an Apple Watch for that price. But by no means I'm denouncing people who spend money for that quality. With that said, let's check them out. They come in 3 colors: brown, orange, and black. They came in a box like this one. Nothing special with unboxing. At the back there are instructions on how to use it, as there is no user manual or anything inside the box except the luggage tag themselves. Now I'll be giving away one of these to one lucky winner in 3 weeks. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any upcoming giveaways. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite color and your country of location, as this giveaway is limited to North America only due to shipping limitation on my end. Also, I have attached the entire playlist of all the giveaways done on this channel up until now. Check it out in case if you're interested. Let's talk about quality and design. Morik claims them to be made of vegan leather that is scratch, dust, and water resistant. So you can have this luggage tag on your backpack and never worry about rain or water splashes. This is a plus point, as with original leather you have to refrain it from water. Now the build quality is great. The stitching is perfect, leaving no gaps at all. The edges and the cuts are nice and rounded, and they don't feel sharp at all. The detail card is protected with a plastic covering which is adhered to the luggage tag in a way that water won't seep through the covering, and it's relatively easy to slide it in and out. At the back of the luggage tag, the Morik logo is engraved. However, there is no logo on the bag charm or the AirTag holder. The quality of the AirTag holder is also great, just like the luggage tag. It is also relatively very easy to slide the AirTag in or out. You can either have your custom engraving of the AirTag visible, as I have this unicorn, as my daughter is a big fan of unicorns, or this custom 4-letter text. By the way, these custom engravings are free if you order the AirTags from Apple's website, or you can just have the Apple's logo by facing the back of the AirTag, which I'll prefer not, as the back of the AirTag is super easy to get scratched and scuffed. The Morik luggage tag uses a belt which is also the same quality and material with a buckle, and I did try pulling it apart really hard, and I can assure you that it will hold on pretty good. The only caveat here is that it only has one hole, so you can't adjust the length of the loop. This is a room for improvement, but it ain't a deal breaker for me. With all that said, let's talk about installation. There are 3 ways to use Morik luggage tag. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Number 1, you can use this Morik tag as a luggage tag without even using an AirTag. As for 20 bucks, it sure is a great luggage tag if you don't want to use an AirTag. Number 2, you can use this AirTag holder as a bag charm without using the luggage tag. This works great for small backpacks or gym bags. Finally, number 3, which is how this is supposed to be used, where you can either have the AirTag holder visible with the luggage tag, or my personal favorite way, where the AirTag holder goes inside the luggage tag so it stays inconspicuous. Mind you, the AirTag holder is not 100% concealed. You can still find it out if you really look for it. However, it is concealed enough to get unnoticed. Hope this makes sense. So the overall application process is super easy with a very robust buckle and the clasp. The entire AirTag accessory is very versatile, with the only caveat being the inability to adjust the length, which you can work around by adding an extra hole yourself at a desired location on the belt. So overall, this AirTag accessory is an easy recommendation if you're looking something for your luggage, backpack, gym bags, kid backpack, or you can even use this as a bag charm, and it looks overall great with an awesome build quality. Be sure to enter the giveaway for your chance to win one of these by hitting that like and subscribe button, and comment down below your favorite color and country of location. Guys, I have done a video for a variety of other AirTag accessories like these watch band holder for kids and seniors, this cute corgi dog like kitchen holder, this adhesive sleeve which I have used for my TV remote, and the video is linked at the end with the video of a detailed comparison of AirTag versus Tile. Be sure to check these videos out.